Hi everybody, this is Red Rum Queen and you are watching the Horror Family channel. And today is another unboxing of two different vendors. One is Michael's the Craft Store and the other is a vendor on Etsy that sells vintage things. So I'm really excited. I'm glad that Michael's had the option to get their Halloween goodies online, and Michael's always has coupons, so that's fun. And then the Etsy seller, well, it's Etsy, so that's online all the time. And I'm going to go ahead and put the Etsy seller in the description below so you can go ahead and check out their items. They had a high rating, they shipped it real fast, and it was in great condition, especially because it's a vintage item, and it took me back to my childhood, and I was so excited when I found this. So I'm excited to share this with you. So anyway, here is the first box. And this is the Michael's box, and you can see it's pretty gigantic. Well, not gigantic as the ones with the masks in it, but it's a good size. And there's two items in there. And then this one is the Etsy seller. And it's just in a little USPS box here. USPS. Yeah, USPS. There are three items in there. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox all these items, and I will be back to show you what's inside. Hi guys, I'm back, and I went ahead and unboxed all the items. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you. First, we're going to start off with Michael's. I went and opened this baby. Ooh, let's pick it up. It's this lovely Audrey Turif and some other man-eating plants there. It's super cute. They have these type of man-eating plants over here. They have them all throughout the bottom of the reef. And then they have the Feed Us sign up here. And then they have these purple little flowers with the man-eating Audrey 2 babies. And another purple flower. I did notice that a couple of them were missing the little teeny tiny Audrey babies there. Most of them have it. I think it's just this flower here is missing it, and this other one towards the bottom here. You can't really even see this one, so I'm not going to make a big deal out of that. I'm just going to let it go, plus, you know, with the pandemic, I really don't want to go out just to get another one. So anyways, and like I said, this one especially is hidden, and this one up here you can't really notice that much either. Maybe I'll add some of my own little flair to that. And you can see these ones on the side have, I don't know if you can see, but they have little eyes. These big gigantic Audreys here. There you go. You can see the little eyes there. And this is super cute. Let me hold this so you can see the entire reef. I liked it a lot. I thought it was different. I love the purple and the greens. Super, super cute. And the price tags don't come up too well on the computer. I'm just going to hold it upside down because if I held it forward, it just glared. But it's $69.99, but again, I had taken advantage of the coupon, so I did not pay $69.99. So it's super cute, and I absolutely love it. Aside from the two flowers missing the little Audreys, everything else is great. There's a lot going on here, so it covers that up. And like I said, maybe I'll just add my own little flair to it. And this is the back of the reef, so you can kind of see what you're working with, and it's super cute. Again, you can get this at Michael's. This was a couple months back, so I'm not sure. I know a lot of the Halloween goodies tend to sell out pretty quickly, so maybe this is still available. I don't know, but go ahead and check it out on Michael's online, maybe even in the stores. The next one is this little planter, and he is actually in perfect condition. He has this gray, planter here. And then it looks like he has fake sand there. And this is my other Audrey. And you can see there's a little bone here for Audrey's victim, Audrey 2's victim there. And there's even a spider, which I love that little touch of the spider, which was great. And this was actually really cute because, like I said, the spider sold me and the bone sold me, and I just absolutely love it. I know Target has some of these too, but it was really hard for me to find it because it kept selling out. So I was glad that Michaels offered some Audrey goodies, and we're really excited to put these up in the house. And this matches Cranky Frankie over there, but this is not going in the room, it's going somewhere else. And this is, I see, like I said, it glares, but this one was $34.99 at Michaels. But again, coupons save you some money. Now, we're gonna go back to the 80s with the next vendor, which is on Etsy. And like I said, it's vintage, it's retro, and it's from the 80s. So, as you can see, if you watch my other video with the mask and the comforter, you'll know that I am big on the 80s thing based on the comforter with McDonald's Halloween Happy Meals. So I decided after getting the comforter that if you watch my video of Retro Go-Go in Society 6, you'll be able to see the comforter and the masks. So I decided I need to get more Happy Meal Halloween buckets. This time I actually got the buckets, and I got it from a vintage seller on Etsy. Look at it. It's my little witch. Look at her. She's so cute, and they were in great condition because these are from, let's see, I know it's printed on here, 1986. So if you were a kid in the 80s, you got these little Halloween buckets. It was really exciting, and came with those McDonald's cookies, which they replaced with apple slices. They need to bring like McDonald's cookies back because those were so good. Anyway, not like we're going to restaurants anyway until this is over, but hopefully when this is over, they'll bring back the McDonald's cookies and we can have cute little Happy Meals again. But they're adorable. It came completely. It's not cracked. It's still great. It's not stained. Absolutely wonderful. Great seller. Inside the bucket, I was really excited. And this is not the only one. Also got him. Look, it's the Ghost. Again, 1986 McDonald's buckets. Great condition. I was really happy with this. And he is splendid. I'm going to be putting these guys in this room somewhere. I'm trying to figure that out. Maybe hang them from the ceiling there and kind of have them dangling. They're absolutely great. Great condition again. And then the final one, you can't complete the set without the pumpkin one. He is wonderful. My McDonald's bucket. Came with the lid, everything great, nothing cracked, nothing stained. And this set was $50. I know it's a bit much there, but I mean, with the condition that these guys are all in, I felt it was worth the price I paid for these great McDonald's Happy Meals buckets from 1986. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like and subscribe. And thank you to all our new subscribers. I know we're small, and we're not in the hundreds, and we're not in the thousands yet. But maybe one day, me and Slasher Killer 13th, and maybe one day, you'll see the other mother doing something for the Horror Family channel. Other than just being camera lady, or sometimes popping in the videos at Spooky. We'll have to see. Anyways, be safe. Take care of yourselves, all that kind of stuff, and hopefully this will all be over and we can go back to normal soon. And remember, the family that scares together stays together. Bye. Until next time. Hi guys. P.S. I just wanted to throw in that after I recorded the video, I went in to the box and I discovered one of the missing pieces, and I went ahead and hot glued him back on. So I was really excited to find at least one of the two. And this one, unfortunately, I didn't locate. And then I noticed that one of the teeth in the video, as well as when I looked at it, had come off, and there was like a gap there, and luckily that was also in the box, so I just hot glued that back on and painted it, so you can't even tell where it was, but it was, I believe, this one. So anyway, I hot glued that on, painted where the glue was showing up so that it would look like it hadn't broken off. And then I just decided, after all, to call Michaels and just let them know what had happened. And I also asked if they might have had this little piece so that I could, replace the one that is missing over here. And they didn't have it, unfortunately, but I figured, hey, give it a try, see if they do. But they were awesome, and they took care of me and compensated me for the fact that it was broken and I had to fix it, and that one of the pieces wasn't fixable. So kudos to Michaels. They really put customers first, and they really listen to their customers, and they take care of them. So definitely, even though it came broken, they still took care of their customers, and I appreciate Michaels. So thumbs up for Michaels. So anyway, that concludes my PS of the video. And remember, the family that scares together stays together.